Afyonkarahisar Akdağ Nature Park. It is one of the most beautiful nature parks in the world, with its magnificent green hills, magnificent meadows, lake and all colors of nature. Landscapes like a painting are waiting to be discovered by you. Whether you want to look at the breathtaking beauty of the sky, or you want to look at the lights of the sun shining in the blue lake, Akdag is a wonderful adventure in all seasons. Akdag Nature Park, which is home to many animals and has very rich flora, has an important potential, especially for nature lovers. You will want to take picture every moment you are there. Akdag Nature Park is a great opportunity to create most important memories of your life.